This is Pre-Calculus, Part 1, Section 4.3, Right Triangle Trigonometry, on page 493, Example 3, Evaluating Trig Functions of 45 degrees. 45 comes right off the circle, from your unit circle. That's where your x is 1 and your y is 1. Sorry, I apologize. On the circle, it's your r that's 1. And your x and y are going to be square root of 2 over 2. But that's actually what they're showing you to calculate right here. So if you know that each side is 1, do the Pythagorean theorem. So that would be 1 squared plus 1 squared, which is 2. Square root of 2 would be your c value. So that's where that comes from. So the sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So since we're talking about the 45, it would be 1 over the square root of 2. Again, can't leave that there, so multiply by square root of 2 over 2, and you get square root of 4 on the bottom, which is actually 2. Cosine ends up being exactly the same because it's still 1. The adjacent side is 1 also over square root of 2, so it's exactly the same answer. And then the tangent of 45 is the opposite over the adjacent, which are both 1. So that makes life pretty easy. The sine and cosine are the exact same value, and the tangent is 1. So the good news, if we're going to find all their reciprocals, which is what this problem is asking, it's pretty straightforward. The reciprocal of sine, the cosecant, instead of taking the reciprocal of this, go back here, take the reciprocal of that, and it's just square root of 2. Same with secant. Since sine and cosine are the same, cosecant and secant should also be the same. And then cotangent, the reciprocal of 1 is just 1. So those are pretty straightforward. 45 is the easiest one to memorize.